Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. I am so glad that you've joined me for day 5. Today, we are looking at restore, repair, and rebalance. So what does that mean in practical terms? What does it mean to restore, to repair, and to rebalance? Well, there are 3 things that I'm going to suggest that can help you get to that place of restoration, repairing, and rebalance. The first thing is let it go. Sometimes you've got to just say no. Not because you can't do it, not because there isn't that willingness to do it, not because you haven't got the capabilities to do it, but sometimes you've just got to say no. Because the more you say yes to is the more you feel overtaxed, you feel overworked, you feel under pressure. So it's okay to say no. So that's the first thing. The second is let's get off social media just for a little bit. I know we use our phones so much for so many things, but maybe we just say to ourselves, one day a week, no phone, no social media. I mean, for some of you might be saying, well, I don't use social media. Well, that's fine. Yeah, but you're on your phone. So all you need to do is decide which day you're going to say, this is a phone-free day, and stick to it. It's going to be hard at first, but together we can do this. The third pointer is rest. And I'm not talking about just sleeping, because that isn't the sum total of what rest is all about. When I say rest, I mean sometimes just sitting down and relaxing. Maybe getting one of your children or your husband or your partner to give you a massage. Getting a nice big bowl of water and soaking your feet. Just sitting back and listening to some good music. Just rest. Come apart and rest a while, and it will do you so much good. And these are the 3 keys to restoration, repair, and rebalance. And I would just encourage you to try any one of those things and let me know how you feel afterwards. And I want to thank you again for joining me on day 6. I look forward to seeing you on day 7. Did I get that right? Actually, I believe today is day 5. So I look forward to seeing you on day 6. You take care. Bye.